Hi everyone, welcome to Bomb Professor. I am Sangeet Surendran. Today we will be discussing a part of the unit number 4 on pose la question from the textbook Mon passeport pour le monde 1. What are we going to learn in this lesson? As I said, we are going to discuss only a part of the lesson. We are not covering all the learning objectives of this lesson. So we are going to see how to ask what is this or what are these and who is this and who are these in French. These are the two basic questions in any language actually. What is this and who is this? Let's see how we are going to use them in French. The name of the unit number 4 is On pose la question. Actually, meaning of on pose la question, the meaning of on changes according to the context. So here in this context, the meaning of the phrase on pose la question is we ask the question. Okay, let's begin our lesson. So first, according to our learning objective, we are going to learn about what is this and who is this. Okay, so let's discuss let's discuss about what is this or what are these. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est is the word in French for what is this or what are these. Qu'est-ce que c'est? It's a bit longer word, phrase actually, but once you get familiar with the word, you will be using it easily. So at first you may think this word is a little complex, but over the period of time and when you start using it, you will be feeling comfortable with the word. Okay, qu'est-ce que c'est, which means what is this or what are these. So here are some objects and we are required to learn the words in French of these objects and how to answer when questions like what is this is asked. Okay, I will be reading the statements here, the question and the reply. I'll be reading it and I want you to listen to the listen to the sentence and identify how sounds are read in French, how sounds are pronounced in French. Okay, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est une chaise. What is this? This is a chair. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? C'est une table. This is a table. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ce sont des fleurs. These are flowers. These are flowers. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un tableau. C'est un tableau. This is a board. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un pupitre. C'est un pupitre. Pupitre means a desk. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ce sont des craies. Ce sont des craies. So you have to learn the French words for this basic daily life objects like chair, table, flowers, board, etc. Une chaise means chair, a chair. Une table means a table. Des fleurs means flowers. Un tableau means a board. Un pupitre means a desk. Des craies means chalks. Okay, these are parts. These are all the parts which comes under qu'est-ce que c'est. Okay, objects which we are going to learn under the section qu'est-ce que c'est. Okay, I want you to understand the meaning of these words and start using it in your daily life. I say this in every videos because once you start using the words in your daily conversation, you will be more comfortable with the language and your learning will be strong and you won't forget the words. Okay, now let's discuss how to say who is this or who are these. in French. So the word for who is this is qui est. Qui est. Qui est. Qui est. C'est un garçon. C'est un garçon. This is a boy. Un garçon means a boy. Qui est? C'est une fille. C'est une fille. This is a girl. Qui est? C'est un homme. C'est un homme. This is a man. Un homme means a man. Qui est? Who is this? C'est une femme. C'est une femme. Une femme means a woman. Qui est? Qui est? Ce sont des élèves. Des élèves means students or pupils. Qui est? C'est Michael Jackson. This is Michael Jackson. So this is what we learned from Qu'est-ce que c'est. These are all the objects, and these are all the words we learned from the section Qui est. What is this and who is this? So what do you think is the basic difference between Qu'est-ce que c'est and Qui est? Where do these words are used? Just think about the difference of these words. I'm quite sure that you can guess in which context Qu'est-ce que c'est is used and which context Qui est is used. Okay, I think you might have got the answer, and let me explain. Qu'est-ce que c'est is used to ask about an object or an animal, whereas qui est is used to ask about a person. Generally in English also, if you see what is this, we use what is this or what are these for asking about an object or an animal, right? We use who is this or who are these to ask about a person in English. Similarly in French also, qu'est-ce que c'est is used to ask about an object or an animal, and qui est is used to ask about a person. So by this, let me conclude today's video. I hope you have learned the difference between qu'est-ce que c'est and qui est, and how to use these words in your conversations. So if you have any doubts or problems in your learning, feel free to share with me. I will be working on your issues, and I will be coming with solutions. Okay, so feel free to share with me your any kind of learning issues you face. No, not just French, any subject. If you have any issues, you can share with me so that I will be helping you. I will be searching for the problems, searching for the solution, and I will be coming up with solution. Okay, so by saying this, let me stop this video. I'll be coming back with another lesson. Till that, au revoir, à bientôt.